way, is this ED2? Oh. Yes, I love how they give us animations for ED2. Oh, nice voice. Ooh, wait, that was the bass? Oh, the bass is so good. I love the softer kind of touch they went for the ending. Ooh! I love that little jazzy. This voice is so cute yet powerful. Power? Ooh, that's so high pitched. Oh, this squad, this unit is already perfection. I honestly loved how chilled, yeah, like kind of funky ED2 was. I forgot about the fact that they're gonna give us a different ending every single week, which is absolutely insane, but I guess that's a different ending to react to every single week, so that's definitely something to look forward to. I definitely say I love the art style for this ending because overall with the series, I'll say it's quite like, you know, really sharp, really defined. So to match, I feel like the more relaxing tone of this episode, I like how the ending was more kind of soft pastel with less like kind of harsher definition. So yeah, really cute ending.